It's Beth with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be installing these RST X5 springs on our 2010 Camaro SS. Now these springs are designed to give you a lower squat during heavy acceleration and reduce some of your wheel gap. These springs will give you an estimated 1.5-inch drop on your Camaro. They'll fit a Camaro SS, V6, and ZL1 for the 5th gens. They come in a red powder coated finish and will clear your factory and aftermarket wheels and tires. They're also made right here in the U.S.A. To stay updated on all the Phastek installs, go ahead and mash that subscribe and like button for me. Here are the tools you will need for this install. You will need to disconnect your brake line since it's attached to the strut. You'll need a 10mm ratchet for this. Now remove your sway bar end link. You'll need a 15mm wrench and a 7mm socket to hold the end link so it doesn't spin while you loosen the nut. Now remove the 24mm bolts on the strut spindle. You need to support the spindle while doing this. If you're having trouble getting the bolts out, just wiggle the spindle until the bolt slides out. Remember to take note of which way the bolt faces so you can reassemble it correctly. Next, you'll need to pop out the wheel speed sensor. Use your trim tool to remove the bolt cover for your strut. You'll need a 24mm socket to remove the strut bolt at the top. Make sure you're supporting the strut while doing this so it doesn't fall. Now you need to remove your factory spring. You can remove the top bolt with a 24mm socket. You don't need a spring compressor to do this. We suggest laying the parts out in the same order as you took it apart. Place the RST X5 spring on the strut with the large opening sitting down in the groove. Now you just need to reassemble the strut in the same order. Next, we'll replace the factory spring in the rear with our RST X5 springs. First, you need to remove the brake line and pop out your wheel sensor. Next, we'll go ahead and remove our trailing arm. You need your ratchet to remove the 18mm nut. Remove the sway bar end link from the lower control arm. Next, remove the lower control arm. This control arm bolts directly to the strut and the spindle. You'll need to remove the 21mm bolt. You need to remove the 4 bolts holding the strut. These are going to be 15mm. Now we'll remove the upper control arm. This has an 18mm bolt and an 18mm nut on the other side. It's easier to use your extension and you're going to need to put in a little effort to get this out. To remove this rear strut, you're going to want to slide it out from the bottom first, rotate it, and carefully pull it out. To remove the factory spring from the strut, remove the 18mm bolt from the top of the strut. Once you have your factory spring removed, you're going to want to place your RST X5 spring with the skinny side facing down in the strut. Now you need to reassemble your spindle and strut in the same order you removed it. Now you need to reassemble your spindle and strut in the same order you removed it. Now we're going to repeat these same steps on the other side. Now that we have our lowering springs installed, we need to take our Camaro SS and get an alignment. But our Camaro's sitting a lot more aggressive and we can't wait to hit the road in it. Thanks for watching.